this is certainly a new angle. Wondering where I am? Should have worn my sunglasses. I am on the roof that covers the patio. And now I have the task of splashing more water on the windows and hope that they become clean from the dirtiness that Hurricane Igor left on our windows. That was just childish. So let's get to it. That was fun! I have a big fear of heights, but I quickly got over that. It's all pretty dang high, not gonna lie. Got a nice view of a place I like to call home. Project Scare the you know what out of my mom is in effect. Ow! Ow! Banged my hand off of the wall. Hello, butterfly. That's a pretty horrible spot to be chilling. It's right. Our steps are right there. Holy God! Okay, and now this bird just flew up, and that's actually quite frightening. It's like 2 feet away from me. That was frightening. Well, at least the butterfly isn't. Oh, well, my cat just scared the crap out of that bird. That was... I'm gonna go inside now. I'm not, like, afraid of birds, but if a bird gets in my grill like that, I kind of freak out a little bit. I don't know, it's like flying around to everyone's house. Does it have, like, a message on it? It's like a carrier pigeon? That was frightening.